How to appeal a denied fertility insurance claim. If your fertility insurance claim was denied, don't worry. Many people face this challenge, but there are clear steps you can take to try to get your coverage approved. First, carefully review the explanation of benefits you received. It explains why your claim was denied and usually includes a deadline for filing an appeal, often within 180 days of the treatment date. Make sure to understand what your policy covers and the specific reasons for denial. Using the same language your insurer used can help strengthen your appeal. Next, prepare a written appeal letter. Be concise and stick to the facts. Clearly state your claim number, dates of treatment, and provider details. Explain why the treatment is medically necessary, especially if you have conditions like endometriosis that impact fertility. Mention how treatments like in vitro fertilization or surgery are essential for your reproductive health. Including a brief personal statement can make your appeal more memorable, but keep it professional and focused. Gather all supporting documents. This includes medical records, letters from your fertility specialist or reproductive endocrinologist, and any clinical studies or guidelines that support the necessity of your treatment. These professional opinions and evidence-based research are crucial because they back up your claim with medical facts. You can also ask your healthcare provider to request a peer-to-peer review. This is a direct conversation between your doctor and a medical reviewer from the insurance company. Sometimes, this step can resolve the denial more quickly without needing a formal appeal. If your initial appeal is denied, you have the right to request a second-level internal review with additional documentation. If that also fails, consider pursuing an external appeal through your state's insurance department or an independent review organization. An external review is conducted by a third party, and if they decide in your favor, the insurer must cover the treatment. In some cases, if fertility treatments are explicitly excluded, you can request an exemption or exception from your employer's insurance administrator, explaining your medical circumstances. Throughout this process, keep detailed records. Save copies of all correspondence, appeal letters, medical records, and mailing receipts. Be sure to follow all deadlines set by your insurer and state regulations to avoid losing your appeal rights. In the context of fertility and endometriosis, emphasizing the medical necessity of your treatments is key. Endometriosis can severely affect fertility, and documentation from your healthcare provider explaining how it impacts your reproductive health can make a big difference. Treatments like surgery or assisted reproductive techniques are often essential for women with endometriosis trying to conceive. Remember, appealing a denial can be complex and time-consuming, but persistence pays off. Being thorough and organized increases your chances of overturning the denial and securing coverage. Consulting a patient advocate or a fertility insurance specialist can also provide valuable guidance and support through this process. Always seek personalized advice from your healthcare provider to ensure your approach aligns with your specific medical needs.